everybody, welcome back to Jonalyn and the American Guy. This is Jonalyn and today we are at the North Point, Hong Kong, and we're going to see the cherry blossom here in Hong Kong. It's attract a lot of tourists, a lot of Filipino and Indonesians and other people that taking an Instagram and Facebook photos. So today let's go and find out. So let's go guys, come on join me and I will give you a tour. Enjoy the building, very different and it's very high. There's a lot of people here. It's very crowded because there's a lot of people taking pictures for Instagram, Facebook. There's a lot of Filipino and Indonesians in here. As you can see, I don't know if it's real or not, but it's very tourist destination for OFW, and you can see. We're trying to find a spot for us to take picture because it's overcrowded and there's no so much space. Ramen, beef and beef ramen. This is curry and this is prawn. It's very crispy. Miso soup and chicken cutlets. Ano yung chicken cutlets? Chicken cutlets. And this is ramen spicy soup. And our drinks. And they give us free chicken because we have $200 bill, so we get free. Kayo dyan tala.
Diyan nakasaan, nakatakda mo. Yung nakatagdahan na ako.
Sa YouTube. Diw sa...
Huwag mo kalimutan ha, kami dalang nilisa ha.
Ano?
Parang gusto nila may butas din kami. Ano yung sa akin?
Hirap na hirap ka na sa parte mo nga, mag-try ka pa sa iba. Talaga mo talaga yung sumali palabas.
Tapos sabi,
This is a Japanese restaurant. Tapos na, yun lang. Oh, I hate your yellow noodles. Mas healthy yun siya, no, sa white.
No, madam, thanks. Kaya mga ganun siya. No, thanks. Ang hirap pag ang yaya.
Very nice. With the soup.
kung gusto mo lang. Friends mo, pang-pangit. Ang damit.
Nakahangin, tapos ang laki ng tiyan. Kaya mo sa kaligayahan niya.
Tingnan mo, sinuportabil mo nilain. Kaya mo, mapahiya ka.
Kaya mo na yung kaligayahan niya.
Hayaan mo.
Sinuportahan ko lang yan. Oh. Talaga magpa-straight ng buhok.
Mango! Very sweet. Today we went to North Point because there's a cherry blossom. It's not real, obviously. It's a fake cherry blossom. Hong Kong doesn't have a cherry blossom. That is, but is invite a lot of people. There's a lot of Filipina, obviously, and some Indonesian that taking pictures and you know, put on Instagram, on Facebook. And I just come in curiosity to see what's in there, and it's really fun. Then after that we went to Japanese restaurant, and then I get the message on my phone because I have alert on my phone and say there's some unrest happening somewhere. So I tell my friend, you have to go back. So we went back to this place, and this is really nice. It's very green and a lot of people also here around. It's really friendly place, and I really like to hang out in here next time. So this might be my next stop when I want to have a quiet time. And this, I think some of the seats in the park, in the chairs, they still condone it so that the people won't stay there because of this virus. And because this is a open space, and I decided not to put my mask on for change. So after this, think I'm going home and rest because honestly I'm not really feeling 100%. But also I want to go somewhere to have a fresh air and not always just stay home and just doing nothing. So I decided to just walk around and see some nearby places here because I like in here and I have nothing to complain, and it's very friendly. So that's all for today, really, guys. And after this I want to go home, and I see you again next week. hopefully I can do some more vlogging because you know, sometimes I just don't know where to go. Last time I cannot go anywhere because of this virus, and then when the virus is gone, there's some protest going somewhere, so really you don't know where to go with safe. And if I want to go somewhere, I have to come back reasonable times, because if it's too late, then you might be trapped into some, you know, unwanted situation. Like for example, last time I was on the way home and suddenly the MTR station was locked because there's a protest happening, and then that so terrified me. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share, and see you again next time. And please take care, and God bless you all. Bye.